CNC machine tool setting tutorial. First, start the machine tool Spindle. Click the MDI button on the system panel. Enter the spindle speed value. Press the hand wheel button. Use the hand wheel to control the movement of the X and Z axis. First, align the 0-point position of the Z axis. Operate the tool to lightly cut the end face of the workpiece. Determine the position and proceed with the operation. After the operation is completed, return by the same route. Next, click the compensation button. Move the cursor to the corresponding position. Since the machine tool is currently using tool now, move the cursor to the O1 alignment position. Align the 0-point position of the Z-axis. Enter Z0 in the input box and press the input button to confirm. Set the current machine coordinate Z-axis value to the 0 point of the absolute coordinate Z-axis. Check that the value of the Z-axis has changed to 0, indicating that the setting is complete. Next, align the X-axis coordinate. Similarly, use the machine tool hand wheel to adjust the position of the X-axis. Make contact with the edge of the workpiece. Allowing the tool to just touch the edge. Then move out along the Z-axis direction. After determining the position, release the hand wheel. Press the reset button to stop the spindle. Wait for the spindle to come to a complete stop. Use a vernier caliper to measure the diameter of the outer edge surface that was just machined. Then enter the measured value into the alignment position of the X-axis. For example, if the measured diameter is X10, enter this value into the system. Check that the absolute coordinate position value displays 10. If, when measuring the end face, you find that there is still a small part left unmeasured, this indicates that the tool needs to be raised. The height to which the tool is raised be sure determined based on the actual situation. Use some shims to raise the tool, and then proceed with the machining to see if the surface can be completely finished. The basic alignment tutorial is not concluded. Now let's talk about how to run the program. First, click the program button. If there is no program file, find Open File. In the screen menu, unopen it. Locate the program you need to process. If you can't find a suitable program, open an empty program. After opening it, press the Auto button, and then press the Cycle Start button. This will initiate the machining program. Before starting the machining, reduce the feed rate slightly and observe the machining process carefully to ensure it is correct. Alternatively, you can use the second method. Press the Auto button, then press the hand wheel test cut button, and finally press the Cycle Start button. This way, you can control the program's operation using the hand wheel, which makes it easier to observe whether the tool path is correct.